The Amazfit Active 2 was unveiled last week at CES 2025 in Los Angeles. And yeah, I'm a bit late. But trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Now, when we think of smartwatches, brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, and Garmin usually steal the spotlight. But if you're after something that's budget-friendly, yet packed with features, the Active 2 deserves your attention. It's priced at $99 for the standard version and $129.99 for the premium model. So what's the difference? The premium version steps up with scratch-resistant sapphire glass and a sleek black leather strap, plus a bonus red silicone sport band. The bands seem to use standard attachments, so you can easily swap them out with other bands you prefer, making customization a breeze. Both models come loaded with a 1.32-inch circular AMOLED display, boasting a sharp 466 by 466 resolution, 2000 nits brightness, and a durable stainless steel 44mm case. I know many people prefer smaller case sizes, so hopefully Amazfit considers releasing a more compact version too. Health and fitness tracking? Covered. You get the BioTracker 6.0 ppg biosensor for detailed heart rate and sleep monitoring. It also keeps tabs on blood oxygen levels, stress, skin temperature, and even provides readiness scores with health insights. You'll get alerts for high-low heart rates, low blood oxygen, and high stress too. For workouts, the Active 2 brings 164 preset modes, including Hyrox Race and Smart Strength Training. Plus, it syncs with ZepCoach, the Zep app, and third-party apps like Strava, Adidas Running, Google Fit, and Apple Health. It's water-resistant up to 5 ATM, supports Bluetooth 5.2 and BLE, and even offers NFC for contactless payments, though only in certain regions, and features circularly polarized antenna tech alongside 5 satellite positioning systems for accurate tracking. A standout feature? Offline map support. You can download maps with route files for turn-by-turn navigation, perfect for phone-free outdoor runs. Battery life is solid too. The 270 mAh battery offers up to 10 days of regular use, 5 days with heavy usage, and around 21 hours with continuous GPS tracking. Plus, it's super lightweight. The Amazfit Active 2 is already shipping in the US, but global availability is expected in February 2025. If you're all about feature-packed smartwatches without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth checking out. Hit that subscribe button for more such videos. And let me know in the comments if you'd grab the standard or premium version. Peace.